Hello, I'm Gregory Howell with Ingenious Ideas. Today we'll be demonstrating the DoXScribe platform for use in the real estate industry vertical. We'll be generating a title commitment package and walking through the automation workflow for that. So how this workflow is typically implemented for our clients is they have a request to create a title commitment package for a refinance or a purchase of a new home. And the order comes in via their website or through an email, and that kicks off a process based on the order for the particular address, where we go out using our county retrievers or the title plant retrievers and pull back all the related documents required to generate the title search report and then the title commitment. So when once the system has finished that processing of the order, you'll be presented this screen as the examiner for what is outstanding title search commitment reports that you need to examine and certify to return to the client. So here's a list of reports that are currently in my queue as an examiner. We'll click on one. And what you'll see over here on the left side of the screen are the documents that were retrieved by the from the county and from the probate court, all the tax authority, all the various documents that are required to do a title search commitment report. And over here is the title search report that we have generated. And on the far right here is where we have additional tasks that need to be done, because this is the review. And I need to, as a reviewer, here are the pieces of information that are missing, clarification questions that the model needs to regenerate this, in this case, a Word document or PDF for the title search report or title commitment report. From here, once I have finished all of these steps, then I can approve it, and then it goes on to the certification process. And then once it's certified, it will be emailed or transmitted back to the customer that put in the request for this packet. Look over here at some of the pieces of information that are missing in this particular report. For instance, the property address, the return email for the requester, and I can add the information in here. Property address has actually been redacted since this, for privacy here, but in a typical workflow, you would put that in. And we can then add additional tasks that the agent needs to go out and retrieve. For instance, if we wanted to collect additional tax data, or send a notification off to the client that they need to provide the underwriting support or some additional documentation. There's a series of quality gates. So you'll see that this has a 93% confidence score in the generation being accurate and complete. And these are the quality gates that are driving that. So do we have all the evidence we need, what the coverage is, the consistency of the information, and then the threshold that we have for establishing the point where it can actually be in this review status. And obviously here it's 93%, so it's well over the 78% threshold, as well as the list of the clarifying questions.